Many years ago, promise to come back and take care of us. Many years have gone by now, still no sign of you. Daddy, mother died over the tech many years ago. When she heard that you are married again, I'm the only one left in the family. Daddy, wherever you are, remember me in whatever you do. I love you, Daddy, wherever you are. Remember me, whatever you do. I love you. Wandering up and down the streets of Soweto, no place to call my own. I tried to find you many years ago, but the woman you married to, she's not good at all. Mama. Tony Luza.